Native chicken farming. Inyo yung manok doy? Huh? Many of you guys are searching about native chicken farming. Here we are. Just your typical bukid setup. You have your native chickens running around. Yeah. And then you see Josette trying to catch one. Ang ganda ng buhay bukid. And these are, like, how many chickens yata to?
Konti na lang to. Nasa mga 15 na lang siguro.
15 chickens. And then, it's a very good source of food, income. Why? Because wala kang pera, magbebenta ka lang ng chicken, right? And then
Wala kang ulam.
wala kang ulam. Oo, magkakatay ka. Kaya nang ginawa namin kahapon. Special thanks to Ugpo family for sponsoring our dinner last night with these chickens. Native chickens. Oo. We're trying to catch chickens. Kung saan gito, anak?
Kuan takop nga katong gipakaon baboy nagkuha na po sa gipakaon.
Oh, so very low cost. So that's your native chicken. Kani nindot ni kay humok kay ni kuan. Halang-halang, ngam.
Magiging halang-halang ka na mamaya.
Oo.
Kailan ba? I know. Maliit na siya, dapat siyang maliit.
Uy, tapos na tayo maghalang-halang. Iba naman, kawawang chicken. So very low cost. Pila kay gasto ani no? Kung mag-start kay ginani na setup, like this is the setup, right? With na yung mga tangkal.
Kani nga set up.
Oh, gamay na kayo. Nara kay murag usa man ni kamalig.
Kamalig nga silbing hangout area rin
Oh.
nito with the chickens.
Hang out with the chickens.
We're just 7 to 9K.
Oh,
You can start up to 16 breeders. 16 breeders, like three roosters, and the rest are hens. Look at the laying eggs.
oh, so there's eggs here. Let's check it out. Oh, the breeders. So there you go. Let's just do it
Mother hen.
real nice. Mother hen high. And they're laying eggs. So how many eggs siya typically in one sitting?
In one setting, most of the time na siya kuan. Most of the time na siya from 8 to 12 depende sa hens.
Unsay mo yun, Day?
Na sa kaitlog des babaw.
Sabi? Tanaw ko na tabi? Silaw? Naput siya din sa ilaw. Just under the bed. So, kaya pala mahal sa Bohol, guys. Kasi, yung chicken, doon lang pinapaitlog under the master's bedroom. Ano ka ba? Diba, Josette? So, now you know. And as we always say,
Kuyawan no.
The other one has 4 eggs and the other one has
9 eggs.
Whoa. Let's show the eggs real quick. Wow, that's a lot. What did you say?
Chickens were eating with the pig.
It's something new to you?
That's the first time I saw them.
The first time you saw chickens eating with a pig? Okay, this must be vloggable. And the pig says no. So, nata sa bukid, tindahan sa tubangan, pero look at how ingenious the Filipinos are. Dire. Right? Tindahan sa babaw. Native chicken farm here. So we have naray net, and then there's lots of chickens. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So very low cost, guys. So nice. Now you know. Kuya ano.
This is where my native chicken before. We got net all over, the free-range net. And then we have about 70 heads.
70 ka manok namatay sa Tyhpoon Odette or Typhoon Rai?
Yeah. And then we just,
How much would that cost? Pila mo na? Like,
it's actually all sellable already. So that's about 20 to 30K.
30,000 just because of Typhoon Odette. Ay nako. Grabe ang impact, no? Sayang. Pelak man sa tag popcorn na na.
Nakanet na ito.
Oh. Wow.
Yep.
After a day's work, you eat as if you're working, no? Native chicken. The best. Your favorite, right? Uh-huh. Yeah.